Hi guys, I'm Pash Brillantes. I'm a freelance photographer and videographer. Here with me is AE Action Cam's latest model. It's called the Life Titan, 16 megapixel photo resolution and a 4K video resolution. So I'm going to unbox this now. I'm so excited. Okay, there. So it's kind of mounted in the packaging, so we have to unscrew it to take it out. So the camera comes with a manual book, the USB cable, 2 mounts, the battery, and the desiccant, an extra cover, and the strap for the cam. This one, it already has a extra case. So this is the actual unit. It's really small. This is the waterproof cover. I'm going to try this out. Take out the battery. Put it inside here. So this is the power button. I'm gonna turn it on. There we go. This is the capture button and the record button. We'll give it a try.